Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to send automated emails, SMS, campaigns, and even some push notifications from your Shopify store, Omnisend is a great tool. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to connect Shopify to Omnisend in 2026 step by step. Let's get started. Well, first we're gonna go all the way to look for Omnisend account. Basically, let's gonna go to Omnisend, then tap on enter. We're gonna go to omnisend.com. It's here basically where you should just start for free, create a new account. If you have an account already, just log in using your email address and password. Now we're gonna go all the way to our Shopify store, log in again, your email address and password, then go into this app section, tap on add, then tap on Shopify app store. As for now, we're gonna go and look for Omnisend app. Omnisend, then hit enter. Then come here and basically just install this app. Give it every basically permission, just authorize the connection as well. And log into the Omnisend app. Allow the access to your Shopify store as I told you. Enable the data synchronization as well. Customers, orders, products, everything will basically just synchronize properly. Check the integration settings also. Make sure email, SMS, and even tracking options are fully enabled. Then create an automation flow. Try a welcome email or even basically an abundant cart flow. Then test the integration by placing a test order or just subscribing with a test email. And basically that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.